Hey guys, how are you? Hopefully everyone's having a great time. Different setup. Now the camera is even farther away, and now the microphone is here. I still haven't gotten my gizmo for the camera here on the front. Hopefully it's gonna be arriving on Monday. I'm recording this on Saturday, and I want to show you this, guys. I want you guys to meet a Grook. Grook is our orc, and he's one of the characters that we're going to be rendering, and I'm going to be teaching you how to properly set up here inside of Marmoset. I'm working really hard to get this course out as fast as possible, with of course the best quality possible. So you're probably going to be seeing a lot of promo this next couple of weeks because this is almost ready. It's going to be a short course. This is one of the new courses that we're releasing in the next couple of days, weeks. We want to release some short courses with softwares that are not as deep is the word as Maya or ZBrush or Unreal, for instance. So Marmoset is a really simple course. It's going to be about 5 hours, probably a little bit more than 5 hours, and I'm going to be teaching you how to render characters, render environments, have animations, publish this in the different sites in the internet like Sketchfab and ArtStation. It's going to be a complete course to Marmoset 4. It's actually called Complete Guide to Marmoset 4. So that's one of the big surprises that I want to show you today on the Sunday stream, right? You're probably watching this on Sunday. So that's one of the big surprises. The Marmoset course is almost ready. It's almost there. I'm working super hard to get this out for you guys so that you can enjoy and utilize this super powerful software. Now, the second great news is we are gonna have our first portfolio review sessions in the coming weeks. So what is the portfolio reviews? Well, probably some of you have a portfolio like myself here in ArtStation, and what I'm gonna be asking you guys is I want you to create, it can be a ArtStation folder, it could be DeviantArt, it could be anything, and I want you to comment on the comment section here some of your best pieces of some of the pieces that you might want me to review. Now, if you want to send the file to me, if you want to send like the OBJ or the C tool, you can use one of the services that's available to everyone called WeTransfer. And I'm not sure if YouTube allows us to have this, but if not, make sure to send an email on the description here titled Portfolio Review and the name of your piece, and I'll be collecting all of them. I can't promise that I'm gonna be able to do a showcase for all of them, but I'm gonna be collecting some of them, and we're gonna be doing this weekly. I'm gonna try to do this at least once a week, where we have a series review. I'm gonna be opening some of your files, and I'm gonna be reviewing topology, form, texture, anatomy, giving you some tips and tricks, okay? So this is, again, just to give back to the community, make sure you guys are receiving some of our care and you guys are happy with all the things that we're producing. So that's the second big thing. You can, again, as I mentioned, you can just link me an image. If you don't want to send the file and you just want me to review the image and give you some pointers, I'll be happy to do so. Just tell me, hey, Abraham, for instance, could you review this image? What would you say? What would you improve? And I'll give some points. Now, you do, I just need to be completely clear here. If you submit for this review, for this like portfolio review, you are acknowledging that we are going to be using the content for our channel. So there might be your name, of course, is going to be there with your work. Make sure to properly name your work and everything. But we're going to be using it in the channel. So as long as everyone's okay with that, then we can do this sort of activity. And finally, we're working on one more course, but I'm not going to disclose what it is yet. It's a little bit bigger. It's not 5 hours. It's going to be a little bit longer. It's going to be some tools that you guys have been asking for, but it's going to be cool. So due to the fact that I'm still working on the Marmoset course and I'm doing my best to get this out for you as soon as possible, the next couple of videos might be slightly smaller than usual. It's probably going to be like 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, because I need to save time to do the course, okay? We're going to do one mini project. I want to do a quick mini project for you guys on the next couple of days. So starting tomorrow for you, which would be Monday, we're going to start with another mini project. It's going to be just 3 or 4 videos where we do some cool little tips and tricks here and there. I want to do, what was the last time we did, what was the mini project? I forgot. Let me review real quick. I don't want to open YouTube. What was it? Oh, the cloth. We did the chainmail coif, right? So I want to do a little bit of Maya modeling because that was a little bit more of a sculpting. So I want to show you a couple of tricks, cool tips and tricks inside of Maya. So make sure to keep in tune. Make sure to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to talk about. Some topics that we've already, that we have in our queue are the hypershade nodes. Some people have been asking about those. There's a little bit of red topology questions as well. So let me know what you guys want to learn and I'll be happy to help. So that's it for me, guys. See you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.